It's now time for the next test with the 5820XL. Let's get started. The pull stations are kind of a T-bar theme today. On the left is a Siemens MSM-K-WP single action pull station, and on the right is a Simplex 2099-9754 with a 9761 dual action cover on it. For the notification appliances, on the left we have a Wheelock RSS, but it's actually rebranded by Gamewell, as you can see there. And on the right is a Wheelock MT4-24-LS. It is going to be set to high-low tone and will be coded by the panel to California code. We still have the same two addressable silent night smoke detectors and the system sensor i3, as well as the carbon monoxide detector. So now we're going to get to pulling stuff. We'll go ahead and start things off with the i3. So we'll just stick this in, hit the test button. So next we'll pull the Siemens pull station, and then we'll key activate the Simplex one. So here we go. Let's go ahead and reset this pull station first. Simple as that. And next, we'll key activate this one. And now, since we just key activated it and we reset the other pull station, we can go ahead and reset. Alright, so that's the end of the test. Thank you for watching. Be sure to check out my GroupMe and eBay. Both are in the description. Thank you and have a great day.